What's going on, guys? Dante here. Just want to do a little bedroom setup, and pretty much what I'll be doing from time to time in my bedroom when I'm trying to just stay focused and just stay out the way when I don't want to be downstairs using my main computer. Well, this will be my secondary main computer, so I have two main computers where I do all my video editing. But I wanted kind of a space where it's not an office, but just a place where I can do things, lay down, relax if I want to, watch a little TV, and just get some work done. This is what my bedroom has become. So this is the computer I worked on about maybe 4 or 5 years ago and finally put together, got it up and running. If you seen my previous video from a while back, that you knew the motherboard was bad on there, so I had to replace the motherboard. I got a new motherboard. So I got a 25-inch monitor here, 1080p, no 4K right here. I just wanted to get this up and running. I ain't got no studio monitors, no nothing. So I wanted to get the computer up and running so I can just at least start to use it, and just, you know, in case my main computer breaks, well, my other desktop breaks down, I got one backup right here, so I ain't got to use a laptop where I'm really constrained to using certain things as far as my applications, and then be bottlenecked with kind of the processor that comes with laptops and compared to a desktop. But it has a 6-core processor in there. I don't remember it. Once I find the video, I'll put it in the link below in the description. But this is a 6-core processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM. The graphics card, MSI 4K card I got from a while back. Like I said, I'll put it in the description. But this is, you know, the setup for right now. Simple setup. Got my Kingston lock. Sorry about the lighting right there. You got some headphones, some Audio-Technica headphones. Like I said, no external studio monitors yet. Will be coming soon. I'm just looking at which ones I want to get. And I have a little bit of a space heater down there. You know, sometimes in the wintertime it gets really cold in this room, so I want some extra heat. But that's it right now. You know, pretty simple laid up. Now, when everything's set up the way I want it, then I'll probably do a revisit of my setup right now. But this is my desktop that I'm working on, and it's pretty much simple desk. You see, simple, nothing fancy. But like I said, a revisit will happen when everything's set up the way I like it. Stay tuned for that. Now let me swing on over to my TV over here. Have to get my healthy dose of FS1's Undisputed. Love the show. It's taking over First Take for me, but you know, some people may still like First Take. I like my man Shannon Sharpe and Skip Bayless together. I love them two together. But as you can see, let me see if I back up and give you some more of a view, is that this is my 50-inch 4K TV by Samsung. Forgot the actual model number, leave it in the description below. But as you can see, I have two HomePods and an Apple TV now. Now what I was hoping for in this latest update by Apple was that AirPlay 2 allow you to have these two in stereo pair, so I can have kind of like a soundbar setup without actually having to need a soundbar. But the update hasn't come out yet. I don't know when it's going to come out, but I have an Apple 4K TV, and as you can see, I'm watching some Skip Bayless Undisputed. And I was hoping, really hoping that update would come out, because, you know, I have a lot of movies on my iTunes account and Vudu, and all these movies in the Apple TV, you know, they all link together, so you can have a studio pair and kind of have like a little surround sound setting when it comes to, you know, watching movies. But the update's not out. Don't know when it's coming out. Stay tuned for that one, so I could do like a little, not a review, but just a look at how it works and if it works seamlessly together. And I also have a Chromecast Ultra on here from time to time. I know people are like, why you need that? But Apple TV right now 4K doesn't stream YouTube in 4K, which is a bummer. And I don't know if that's going to get worked out, so I just wanted something just to give me my little 4K YouTube from time to time. But as you can see, this is pretty much it as far as the setup. Simple, not a big major tour, just my bedroom being hooked up to the way to my comfort level, where I could pretty much do everything I need to do, watch a little Netflix and edit a little video at the same time. So this is pretty much it for my video. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for more. Like I said, I'm working on some videos, looking for some new ideas to come up with to make this channel better over time. I want to thank you guys for all the support. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.